In this tutorial, we'll learn about formatted strings, also known as f-strings. Here, we have defined two variables, name and age. We then use an f-string to print out a string that contains the values of these variables. The f-string is denoted by the f before the opening quotation mark, and the variables are enclosed in curly braces. As you can see, the values of the name and age variables are substituted into the string when it is printed. Let's try another example. Here, we have defined a variable radius and used it to calculate the area of a circle. We then use an f-string to print out a string that contains the value of the radius and the calculated area. The :2f after the area variable is used to format the output to 2 decimal places. As you can see, the value of the radius variable is substituted into the string, as well as the formatted value of the area variable. Formatted strings are a powerful and convenient way to insert variables and expressions into your strings. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy coding!